BlueTrack was the fusion of a lot of different ideas. It's been a collaborative effort between Microsoft hardware engineers in Redmond, electrical engineers, firmware engineers, the Fort Collins Design Center. It's a multidisciplinary thing that involves physics, it involves reliability, it involves software, it involves pixel architecture, it involves ASIC design and development. BlueTrack combines the power and the width of optical with the precision of laser. Welcome to BlueTrack, only for Microsoft. BlueTrack is the four-wheel drive of mice, the one mouse that gives you the ability to go anywhere you want to go and track on virtually any surface. We're introducing BlueTrack in two designs, the full-size Explorer and a smaller Explorer Mini. So there's a couple of things about the optics and the electromechanical architecture of this mouse that make it track really well on virtually any surface. For one, we have a very large beam. BlueTrack is the world's most advanced tracking, 4 times larger blue specular optics. BlueTrack gives you the ability to work in your living room. You can be comfortable, for example, working on the carpet. So here's BlueTrack on carpet, and that large blue beam is giving you the ability to really accurately and precisely navigate even on thick shag carpet. So you can think if my hand represents the carpet fibers, a small laser beam can come down and get trapped in between these fibers and not scatter out. But with a blue beam, a large blue beam, that light comes down, impinges upon the fibers, and you're guaranteed to get light back out to the sensor because that beam is covering multiple fibers. So here, let's try the full-size Explorer mouse on granite. Previously, laser mice have struggled on these surfaces, but you can see here that the BlueTrack works, tracks, and just doesn't skip a beat. So there's blue on marble, and here's blue on granite. Wood is a common surface in your house. You may have a shiny mahogany table. Optical mice struggle in that surface. You may have hardwood flooring in your den. You may be navigating on the deck outside with unfinished wood. BlueTrack works on all wood surfaces and gives you great tracking performance. The combination of the large beam, the specular optics, and the blue wavelength that gives you the more exact picture of the surface. When laser light hits an optic that has dust or dirt that's accumulated on it, it can completely degrade and ruin the tracking performance of a mouse. With BlueTrack, that's not going to happen. So let's do an exaggerated experiment to show how blue continues to function even in the presence of an awful lot of dust. So there we can see there's quite a lot of dust in there. I'm going to tap out the mouse. BlueTrack still works, even in the presence of this much dust and dirt accumulation. BlueTrack sacrifices none of the performance or convenience you expect. BlueTrack is better than optical, better than laser, period.